and that is our good old-fashioned goulash made. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today a really steady, easy, quick, delicious. You remember the old-fashioned goulash? Come on, let's do it. So in a pan, we want some olive oil. What a flame on. We want to be going in there with our garlic and onions. Nice little saute, a little stir fry. Take out the rawness of the garlic and the onions. As per usual, all the ingredients in the description. After you've had a little minute in there, chuck in your minced beef. Break it up, start cooking it. Now this is one of those one pan cooks on the table in 30 minutes. Easily. Pasta takes about 15 minutes, the rest of this takes about 15. Be ready in 30. A little bit of seasoning going on here, a bit of salt in there, and a bit of black pepper. Works wonderful with beef. Okay, I've got some herbs. I've got oregano, basil, and I've got some chili flakes. Chili flakes optional. You know, a little bit in here. Superb. And we want to be going in there with a little bit of smoked paprika. Nice little stir through. Get the spices in with that meat. Still cooking with the oils and the fats that are in there. They'll bloom properly. So just keep working it until you've cooked your meat in there. We don't want to be seeing any red or pink. So just keep stir frying. Cook off your meat. Try and have no rawness in there. In there, about 3 tablespoons of tomato puree or tomato paste, whatever you know it by. A little bit of a stir in. We've got some chopped tomatoes. In they go, tin tomatoes. In there with some beef broth. Now this is beef broth made out of powder. Stir that through. Just get it fully incorporated in there. Smells absolutely delicious. In there with some water. A good amount of water. About 2.5 cups. Somewhere around about there. Oh, look at that. Right, bring that back up to temperature and we're going to chuck our pasta in there. I'm going to go in there actually with about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce just to give it that pep up flavour in there. Stir that in. Oh, it smells amazing. Okay, as soon as you've got it to a boil like that, in with our elbow pasta, our elbow macaroni. And we're going to stir that in, turn the flame down, and we're going to let it simmer. Simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The pasta is going to absorb quite a lot of this fluid. Should leave us a good sauce. All we're going to do within that we're going to leave it uncovered, and all we're going to do is come along within that 15 minutes and just give it a little stir. That's all we have to do. Make sure nothing is sticking on the bottom. That's it. Just let it do its thing. Turn it down. Let it simmer. Just keep coming along and giving it a stir. Oh, I think that's got it. Look at that. That is perfect. Just enough sauce in there. The pasta's cooked. Let's serve up. Come on. A little blob of sour cream. Oh, come on. And you know it. What, a little bit of cheese. A little bit of greenery. And that is our good old-fashioned goulash made. That is absolutely incredible. So there we are. That is our old-fashioned goulash made. Come on. There we are. Proper old-fashioned goulash. Oh. Now I like sour cream. Some people don't like it. Now this is not the Hungarian version like we know. This is the American westernized version of goulash that's been around for a very long time. It doesn't contain any peppers or anything like that, capsicums, but if you want to put them in, you put them in. That is comfort food at best. That really is delicious. That's absolutely superb. And that sour cream, the way I like it with the sour cream on there, gives it that extra creaminess all the way through. Oh man. Topped off with a little bit of grated cheddar and a little bit of parsley. That is old-fashioned goulash made. So there you are. That is a cracking meal on the table. So easy and quick to come together in one pan. Absolutely fantastic. Serve it up with some crusty bread and butter. Oh, what a meal. If you like what we're doing, don't forget share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is. Come on to make an old-fashioned goulash. And if you do like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. And a little bit more cheddar. Come on, spoil yourself. Oh man.